The T-14 Armata facts and criticisms. The T-14 Armata is the newest and most advanced Russian main battle tank, designed to replace the aging T-72 and T-90 tanks. It was unveiled in 2015 and has since been praised for its cutting-edge technology and impressive capabilities. But like any new weapon system, it has faced some criticisms. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the T-14 Armata and explore some of the facts and criticisms surrounding this tank. The T-14 Armata is a heavily armed and armored tank that features advanced technology and a crew of 3. It is equipped with a 125mm smoothbore cannon, which can fire a range of ammunition types including armor-piercing shells and guided missiles. The tank's armor is also designed to be highly effective against modern anti-tank weapons. One of the most distinctive features of the T-14 Armata is its unmanned turret. This means that the crew is located in a separate compartment within the tank, which improves the tank's survivability in combat. The tank also features advanced electronics and sensors, including a 360-degree camera system that provides the crew with a full view of their surroundings. The T-14 Armata has been praised for its accuracy and firepower. Its cannon can fire up to 8 rounds per minute and has a range of up to 7 kilometers. It can also fire guided missiles, which can hit targets at distances of up to 12 kilometers. The T-14 Armata is also highly maneuverable and can travel at speeds of up to 90 kilometers per hour on roads. Its tracks are designed to provide excellent traction on rough terrain, and the tank can even adjust its ride height to improve its stability. Despite its impressive capabilities, the T-14 Armata has faced some criticisms. One of the main criticisms is its cost. The T-14 Armata is an impressive tank, there's no doubt about that. But the question is whether it's worth the cost. There are many other tanks on the market that are much cheaper and still highly effective. Another criticism of the T-14 Armata is its reliability. During testing, the tank reportedly experienced several mechanical failures, including problems with its engine and transmission. These issues could be particularly problematic in combat situations, where a malfunctioning tank could put the crew at risk. Additionally, there are concerns about the T-14 Armata's vulnerability to certain types of weapons. Some experts have noted that the tank's unmanned turret could be a weakness, as it relies on a vulnerable data link to connect with the crew compartment. The tank's active protection system, which is designed to detect and intercept incoming projectiles, has also faced criticism for its effectiveness. In conclusion, the T-14 Armata is a highly advanced and impressive tank that showcases cutting-edge technology and capabilities. Its advanced electronics and unmanned turret provide a significant advantage in combat, and its firepower and maneuverability make it a force to be reckoned with. However, the tank's high cost and reliability issues have raised concerns about its practicality and effectiveness in combat situations. Furthermore, its vulnerability to certain types of weapons is also a concern that must be addressed. Despite its impressive features, the T-14 Armata is not without its criticisms and limitations, and its true value as a military asset remains to be seen. Thanks for watching.